What's happening in California right now is terrifying. These images are downright scary. California is one of my dream states to live in. While I don't agree with all of their laws and regulations, the weather and atmosphere are almost unbeatable. There are tons of people, so you're bound to find a group of them with similar interests to your own. For all the good vibes that are generally associated with California, though, they definitely have their problems. They're in a severe drought and it shows no signs of letting up. Oh yeah, and their coastline is literally crumbling beneath them. California's coastline has long been a concern for people living there. Looking up and down California's coastline, you'll see homes on the brink of collapse from the ground giving way underneath them. This would be an absolute nightmare for any homeowner. Imagine standing, looking out over the ocean, and all of a sudden the ground underneath you gives way. You're sent crashing down, slamming into rocks, and eventually buried by dirt and boulders. I can't imagine owning a multi-million-dollar home on the coast and having to watch it fall into the ocean. Hundreds of thousands of homes are being threatened by this naturally occurring environmental happening. The soft sedimentary soil is not adequate enough to support the homes and apartments being built along the coastline. Constantly shifting tectonic plates do not help matters in the slightest either. I can't imagine being a developer and putting millions of dollars into a condo or apartment complex only to have it destroyed by a crumbling California coastline. It's not just residents that are being affected, numerous businesses are located along the coastline as well. Apparently, living in paradise is not always what it seems. This entire complex will be nothing more than rubble at some point. Giant chunks of coastline property are disappearing in a matter of seconds. This could be one of my worst nightmares. Your home is probably the most valuable thing you'll ever own in your life. I can't imagine the pain and panic that would accompany it careening off the side of a cliff and landing in a pile of rubble. There really is nothing that can be done about this problem either. The soft nature of the sedimentary soil that makes up the crumbling California coastline is not going to change overnight. Hopefully, someone comes up with a solution to this problem before the whole coastline is gone. Share these pictures of the crumbling California coastline with all of your friends.